everyone, it's me, Alex. Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the volume issue on your Apple TV 4K remote. So if you've ever noticed when you press the volume up and down buttons on your Apple TV remote, especially if you're using IR with just your TV speakers, sometimes it freezes. The remote works perfectly fine for Apple TV stuff. When you press on mute up and down, it just doesn't do anything. The volume doesn't work and it just freezes and it won't do anything. Even though you reboot your Apple TV by just pressing the button, it still doesn't do that. There's actually a faster way than just unplugging and plugging in back your Apple TV. Let's just say you have it already set up in the back of your TV and it's already perfect and it's hard to unplug stuff, or you just don't want to mess your setup up. So I already have my Apple TV set up in the back and it's really tight back there. So I found an easier way on how to fix the volume issue. But before we get started, hi to anyone new here. My name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos. So make sure that subscribe button is free and it would help my channel grow. Thank you. So let's get started with the video. So this right here is my Apple TV. It's already connected to my Samsung TV. As you can see, the volume works perfectly fine. The remote works perfectly fine. It does other stuff. You can turn on and off your TV. But when you press the volume up and down, it doesn't do anything. Actually, it's doing it now, but I just stopped working a few days ago. So you just need your Apple TV remote. So you're going to press and hold the Apple TV button and volume down button. So I'm going to do that right now. You guys can see you're going to hold it. It's working. That's why it showed TV speaker. You're going to keep on holding it on the right of your TV right here. You're going to see that says disconnected. So keep on holding. So as you can see, you saw disconnected. You can let go. As you can see, remote disconnected. So right now, as you can see, it's not doing anything. I can press on swipe, push the buttons. It doesn't do anything. So to reconnect, you press and hold the Apple TV button and volume up. And then you're going to see again on the top right that says connected. There we go. So you can see connected TV speaker. As you can see, I already showed that. You can press on volume up. And there you go. As you can see, it's working again. Mute. As you can see, it works. And just like that, that little quick fix will help reboot your Apple TV remote without needing to unplug it or factory reset. So that's pretty much it. This was a quick video on how to fix your Apple TV remote. So just with that little reboot, you press and hold the TV button, and the Apple TV button and volume down for a few seconds. If the screen does not show up automatically that says disconnected, you can let go after 10 seconds. And then you would see on the screen say disconnected. And then just do that again until you see connected, but with volume up. And just like that, your volume works again. You can press volume up, down, and it works like it should. If you have HDMI CEC, like a soundbar or receiver, there wasn't any issues because I do have a soundbar, but then I switched to my TV speakers for a few days, and that's when I noticed the issue. I never had issues with if you have a soundbar via HDMI ARC. But if you run into this issue, this simple fix will help you get up and running again without having to factory reset your Apple TV or unplug any cables. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.